My daughter's christening, baptism, wedding, and keepsake dresses went from that pile all the way down to this. And with the help of our vacuum, the vacuum bags compress either bedding, clothing, pillows by removing the excess air, allowing you to store more items neatly in a closet, under a bed, in luggage, with a really compressed storage system. In person for me, they're measuring about 38 by 31 inches, so they are sizable. Easy, you can fit 2 king-size pillows for reference. They do have a twist on them that allows air in or out for when you're attaching the vacuum and then sealing it back. And I found the double Ziploc style enclosures really easy to use. It was not a problem to get all the air out of them, and it comes with a plastic tool to even help there. Durable, thick, and such an easy way to compress larger items into small ones. This stack here is multiple king-size pillows, comforters, blankets, and childhood keepsake dresses. And when it came time to open them back up, I had no issue there. I just undid the valve and undid the double seal mechanism for the double zipper, and everything just inflated right away. I was really impressed how easy it was to use and the quality overall. I guess my favorite part is the large bags really combine that like large capacity, strong seal. The flexible air removal methods were really easy to use. It just makes that home storage simpler and far more efficient, and so easy to compact back and unuse and access again. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.